It's time to meet Anna, a sophomore preparing to be a dentist. Anna is majoring in health science, a versatile degree that prepares students for various careers in the health field. From dentist to doctor to veterinarian, VCSU's health science degree is affordable and tailored to help students get admitted to the professional program of their choice. You're up, Anna. Take it away.
Thanks, Alex. Growing up in a small town, I was always surrounded by support and a strong sense of community. So when it came time for me to choose a college, I wanted somewhere that felt just like that, but also gave me opportunities to grow. Luckily, I found both right here at Valley City State University. The health science program here is incredibly flexible. Whether you want to go into dentistry, physical therapy, or become a doctor, you can tailor your path to your career goals. The professors here genuinely care about your success and create a learning environment where you feel valued. Beyond academics, I've found a second home with the VCSU track team as their manager and photographer. Actually, that's what inspired me to take up my minor in digital design. I realized how much I love telling stories through my photography. Between the classroom and the camera, I've been able to grow both my skills and my friendships. Coming out of high school, I applied for and received VCSU's McCready Scholarship. It's awarded to a select group of students each year and is one of the largest scholarships in the region. With VCSU's scholarship program, I don't have to worry about the financial side of college, which is huge when you have 4 years of undergrad and 4 years of dental school ahead. That support has given me the freedom to fully dive into my studies, be active in clubs, and truly enjoy my college experience. VCSU isn't just preparing me for dental school. It's shaping who I am right now. I'm gaining the confidence to chase big goals, the creativity to tell stories through my photography, and a network of people who feel like a family. Every class, every project, and every friendship is building my foundation. And the best part is, I'm just getting started. Back to you, Alex.
Amazing work, Anna, and best of luck at dental school. VCSU is annually recognized as having one of the top scholarship programs in the region. The university awards nearly $2 million in scholarships each year, and about 87% of incoming freshmen receive an academic scholarship. Incredible. Thanks again, Anna.